This is original vintage leather hard case from Canon. Unfortunately it has seen better days, but in the end of the day you're here for the camera, not so much for the case. As you can see, the case is incredible, and inside we have a beauty. An incredible Canon Super 8 camera. The model is 518, second generation. One of the best Super 8 cameras back in the day for its generation. Aluminum sunshade. As you can see, the lens is extremely clean. Very well working automatic and manual zoom. Okay, let's test it out. You need to open the lid first, pull it out. Oh, there's some batteries in. I forgot the batteries in. I'll take them out for you and I'll show you once again. Okay, so as you can see, clean battery compartment. You need to follow the instructions. Oops, spring is strong. Okay, close the lid, and here on record, smooth. The manual zoom, there is no automatic zoom on this one, but the manual zoom works great. As you can see, the lens is extremely clean. Works very smoothly. As you can see, film gate works well, motor works well. We'll test it out now with an expired cartridge. Expired cartridges are harder to spin. This is Kodachrome 40 or K40, so well known. We mark it, put it in, close the lid, shoot just for a second, open the lid, and let's see what's happened. The mark is gone, so everything works very well. As you can see, the camera is in great condition, very clean. Light meter works well. Not much to say. Incredible camera. Please subscribe, follow for more, and enjoy your new Super 8 camera.